What's up, guys, and welcome to Celeb Gossip Entertainment, where we bring you the tea each and every day. Now, guys, in today's video, we are still talking about Uwandile Ndlovu, So Miguel has been showing us snippets here and there of how her body looks now, but obviously she's still healing, it's not there yet, and she can't even reveal the whole body naked, or maybe half naked, and don't, because she's still healing. And it right now, people are such haters, especially women. Women hate each other, guys. But Sana, another thing, it's a free country. People are free to say what they want to say, and I'm glad that she's not giving in to hate, because people have been gunning for her on Facebook, So she recently posted this, and guys, look at the comments. So someone said, I love the body, but it's too artificial. Like the hips are too big and are too big and high, man. Angaz, but kukhona oku wrong. Love the new nose, Shem. Perfect. So I didn't know that she did a new nose, Kesana. I went back to check the picture, and yes, it seems like she also did something to her nose, because we all know she has been bullied about it, So if you have the money to change it, then why not? Why not? Right? So some people here were saying, Uguti, no, her body looks like this because she has a waist trainer on. Asaz. And then someone said, hi, this is honestly not cute. It's too much. I'm sorry. I don't know, guys. I think I've seen someone, man, saying that after they do EBBL, you have to wear, I don't know what's those things called, but it's something that holds your hips, So I'm thinking, Klambi, we shouldn't judge her, for now. And someone said, how much I prayed for you, Hore Usakreya BBL. And you actually did. Hey, y'all ain't got no backbone. Y'all have a boss, and that boss's name starts with X and has a surname of Mfeka. We all know who she's talking about, Moss. We all know, guys. Let's not make it like we don't know. But I don't know, man, guys. People shouldn't. I'm not saying Wandi is comparing herself to Uxoli Mfeka, right, and all those other celebrities. But we also need to keep in mind Uxoli Mfeka is natural, guys. It's her natural body. Even when she takes half naked pictures, you can tell Uguti this body is natural, She has all the stretch marks and all of the cellulites. You can tell Guti it's a real body, just like all of us. So I don't know, I'm not sure if she's comparing herself to her, or maybe she's been wanting to do it, guys. Let's not say she is copying Uxoli Mfeka, Then someone said, what's adorable about that waist? And also another comment says, what happened to the nose? I wanna go too. Yeah, guys, and I'm sure a lot of those women who are hating here, if also they had money, they would change a lot of things that they don't like about their bodies, So manje, because they don't have money, they are just
and then
hating,
another
And someone said, why are the hips unequal? I went back to check the picture, because I want to confirm. When someone says something, I'm going to check, just like how I checked the nose. I don't see any unequal hips there. I don't know what to say, but I do think the waist is a little bit too small for those hips. But she did say Uti she was wearing a waist trainer, so maybe when she takes out the waist trainer, everything is going to be proportional. We don't know. And someone say, no, I think the waist needs more work. It's way too thin, but guys, your choice. That's what I think too, but let us wait for her to heal, guys, before we can judge, Let us just wait for her to heal and see the final results. Because guningi, guningi, and we have no say. It's her body. This body works for her, so we don't have a choice. And someone said it's not proportional. Hope you don't feel pain. Yes, guys, like if you have big hips, the waist has to correspond. That's just my personal opinion. I don't know what to say. As people, you guys are going to come for me in the comment section, because I posted something I think last week, and someone came for me. Hey, so now I don't know what to say. Someone came for me, and I had, as in, I was just expressing my personal opinion, and you can also do your own videos, and express your own personal opinion. Like, as I said, it's a free country. But with you expressing those opinions, you don't need to hurt other people's feelings. You also don't need to discriminate and all of that, just be considerate of other people's feelings. Then someone said, then all you hear them talking about, then you'll hear them motivating us about going to the gym and eating a balanced diet. I don't know, guys. There are some celebrities who have had BBLs, but they are doing it under the carpet. I don't know, but I'm glad Gucci Wandi is being open about it. Please like and